Hello, my dear students. Congratulations from online class of Al Kamiloni Secondary School. How are you? I am also fine. I am going to start your class English first paper. Before I discuss Begum Rokeya, he was the famous worker and famous social worker in the world. Helen Keller was famous for humanities and social work. Begum Rokeya was born in 1880. Helen Keller was also born in 1880. They both are social worker and great or famous woman in the world. Begum Rokeya was self-education and learned English and Bangla from her brother, but Helen Keller got formal education from school and college. Now, before I discuss Begum Rokeya, now I am going to start Helen Keller's life. Helen Keller started her formal education in 1890. She began to take classes at the Horace Mann School for the Deaf of Boston from 1894 to 1896. She attended the Wright Humanson School for the Deaf in New York City. There, she worked to improve her communication skills and studied regular assignment subject. Helen gradually made up her mind to attend college in 1996. She attended the Cambridge School for Your Ladies, Massachusetts. Later, she was admitted to Radcliffe College. Here, she learned reading through a special teaching called Braille. She also learned here how to type, and Sullivan was always with her for help. She put by her in the class and interpreted lecture and studied. In 1904, Helen received a BA degree with honors from that college. Helen Keller spent the rest of her life trying to make it easier for disabled people to learn. Helen Keller died on June 1968. June 1968 works short of her 88th birthday. Now, I take some best answer from the topics. Number 1, when was? When did? Silent killer. One. Number A, 1880. B, 1890. C, 1895. Correct answer 1880. Who always helped Helen to learn? Number A, Horace. Man. Number C, Yannick. Sulban. Correct answer E. Number 3, Helen died in number A, in her early age. Number B, in her middle age. Number C, in her old age. In her old age. Now I am discuss between Helen and Begum Rokeya. Begum Rokeya was born in 1880. Helen Keller was also born in 1880. But Begum Rokeya was self-educated and learned Bangla and English from her brother. But Helen Keller got formal education from school and college. Now I am going to start I gave you some homework. There are read the previous lesson 1 to 4 on Begum Rokeya and Helen Keller and complete the table with information from the text. Now read the complete chart and write as 1 or 2 sentences for each of the points in the correct. Look at the example. Begum Rokeya Helen Keller. Born in 1880. Nationality TIONALITY. Nationality Bengali. At the time of India. Family. Not rich. Sorts of. SOURCE. Source of income. Physical condition. Blind. Deep and down. DUMP. Now I discuss something Begum Rokeya and Helen Keller. You teach many things in these topics. Your homework is Begum Rokeya and Helen Keller. Goodbye, my students. I am very fine. You always very fine and good. Hope your future. Thank you.